Hello. On this day, we are going to be performing an everyday chemistry project, me and my classmates. This project, or chemistry experiment, is something that we all do in everyday lives, and we don't even realize that it's such a chemistry project. We're going to be lighting a candle. This is a combustion reaction which occurs when the flame meets the wick in the paraffin wax. Now, for the chemical properties and physical properties.
For those of you who don't know, the definition of chemistry is the study of matter, its properties, the reactions it undergoes. The definition of physical properties are color, shape, texture, ductile, malleable, three states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Chemical properties are interactions on other substances, reaction with the air or water. When first observing a candle, you can see physical properties. This is a wax at solid room temperature and cool to the touch. Some of the physical properties are:
the physical properties that the candle is obviously red, along with the lighter that is also red. As my classmate stated, it's cool at room temperature, wax, it's hard, along with the glass that it's in is also hard. Yeah. And then, another physical property, the smell. Cinnamon. Take that.
So, now remember, keep away from young children when lighting a candle at all times. When the candle is lit, a chemical reaction called oxidation occurs. Friggin' helicopter. During this oxidation reaction, hydrocarbons in the wax combine with oxygen in the atmosphere to produce carbon dioxide, water, and other materials. As you can see, the candle's burning. It's starting to melt the wax a little bit right in the center, and it's really hot. Just the fire.
It's dangerous. Be careful.
Yes. When the wax reacts with the oxygen, it gives off light and heat via the flame, or little fire, which makes things smell good. The more oxygen that reacts with the candle when it burns, the brighter and hotter the flame gets. The opposite happens when less oxygen is available.
As you can see, when the flame is covered, it gets smaller, and with oxygen it gets bigger. And then when all oxygen supply is depleted, the candle goes out.
The physical reaction that occurs is that the candle wax was melting when the candle was lit, changing from a solid to a liquid. When the candle wick burns out, the liquid wax slowly transforms from a liquid back into a solid, a characteristic of physical reactions. By simply lighting a candle, a chemical change happens because some of the candle is changed into gases and heat energy. This is just one example of how chemistry applies to daily life.
And as you can see, as the candle reaches room temperature again, the wax will begin to return to its original state as a solid. Thank you for listening, and be safe with your candles.
Oh, you want to say our names, I guess? Sure. Okay. I'm Brittany Applin.
I'm Stephanie Rojas.
And I'm Jordan Downey.
And this was chemistry.
Woo! Candles!